Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this is a Southern classic recipe as well. And this pot here is collard greens. They already seasoned and cooked with smoked turkey tails. Yes, they are. So what I'm going to do is show you classic when you have got down to the last part of your greens and you got company coming over and you have enough collards to serve everyone. What you do is cut up a cabbage and place the cabbage on top of the greens that's already cooked, because this will help give you more volume into your cabbage. Just add cabbage just like this with a smooth spoon. Add cabbage just like this. And then halfway of the cabbage, you add jalapeno pepper and onion. Yes, jalapeno pepper and onion. This gives it a little spiciness and it makes it taste real good. Not too hot, just a good spice. So what you're doing, you're going to put a small head of cabbage, chop it up real nice, and you're going to place it on top, and then you're going to use some Creole season on top. And the Creole season give it a little zangy, you know. Or you can use red pepper. You can use anything that you desire to put on your cabbage. But I'm going to put some Creole season, just a little now, not a lot. Kind of shake it with the camera, y'all. Just a little Creole season, just like this, on top, and it's going to give it a little old spicy little taste, but not too spicy, just enough. And don't put too much. Now I'm not putting any salt in this because it's already have salt in the Creole season. So you want to make sure that the Creole season is not too plentiful in this dish. Then what I'm going to do now is add just a little onion powder. And then I'm going to add a little garlic. Let's see if I can find my garlic. You know, I just cook so much and put things up, wash it down, and can't find my garlic. But what we're going to do is put some garlic in here, maybe about a teaspoon of garlic, and let this cook down. And we're going to be right back and let you see what it looks. Don't forget to put a teaspoon of garlic. I always use the minced garlic that's in a jar. And I don't have it right here with me, so just put a teaspoon of garlic, and we're going to let this smother with a top on top, just like this. Put a top on it like that, and we're going to come back and let you see how these cabbages and collard greens come out. Yes, collard greens and cabbage mixed together, and you can do well, I don't like to do turnips and collards. I like to use turnips and mustard greens and mix them together. Okay, this is Sandra. We're going to come back and let you see what it looks like when we finish this product. Alright, now we're going to show you how it looks. We're going to flip the cabbage. We're going to flip the collards on top of the cabbage. Just like this. We're letting them steam down because cabbage makes its own water, so that's why we didn't add any water to the collards, because they already had that seasoning and everything. So what we're going to do is flip them collards over the cabbage, and then we're going to let them cook a little bit more. I'm going to let them cook a little bit more because you have to have the way you want them. I'm going to take this off because I don't want my camera to get all messed up, but you got the picture, right? You got the picture right there. We're going to let them smother a little bit more, and then we'll be right back. This is our finished results of the cabbage over collards. Collards and cabbage together. You see how we got the cabbage on top? Well, they're green from the green family. We got the collards on top of the cabbage. Look at that. They're so tender and delicious. And look at the liquid. So they are tender the way I want them. Now you can do them the way you want them. If you want them more softer, you can smother them a little bit more softer. But what I did, I just made sure that they was tender enough and flavorful enough so my family can enjoy them. This is when you use this recipe when you almost out of collard greens and you need some more and you don't have time to cook them. Just get your cabbage and smother them. It's gonna take about maybe 10-15 minutes for the cabbage to smother on top of the collards, and then you fluff them up like that. Look at that. You fluff them up and you see the cabbage and the collards together. Look at that. Ain't that delicious looking? Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. Country eating, y'all. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel.